Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the epitome of elegance on wheels, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome. Buckle up as we explore every inch of this masterpiece, from its sleek exterior to its state-of-the-art interiors. The front exterior showcases Lexus's signature design language. The bold spindle grille is flanked by sleek, angular LED headlights that light up the road like never before. The advanced aerodynamics, including strategically placed air intakes, don't just look good, they enhance fuel efficiency and performance. Moving to the rear, the design is just as impressive. The LED taillights are connected by a sleek light bar, adding to the futuristic appeal. Below, you'll notice the integrated parking sensors and rear cameras, which make maneuvering this beast a breeze. The motorhome features multiple storage compartments at the rear, giving you plenty of room for bikes, camping gear, or even an inflatable kayak. Step inside the cockpit and you'll immediately notice Lexus's commitment to driver comfort and control. The plush leather seats are ventilated and heated, ensuring maximum comfort no matter the weather. Moving to the living space, Lexus has created an oasis of comfort. The lounge area features a modular sofa that converts into an extra bed, a retractable 50-inch OLED TV, and surround sound speakers for an unparalleled entertainment experience. Imagine kicking back here after a long drive, watching your favorite movie, or enjoying the scenic view outside through these large panoramic windows. And the built-in blackout shades ensure complete privacy whenever you need it. Next up, we have the fully equipped kitchen. The countertops are crafted from scratch-resistant quartz, giving it a premium yet durable feel. You'll also find a high-performance induction cooktop, a microwave convection oven combo, and a spacious refrigerator to store all your travel snacks. The bedroom is where the Lexus Motorhome truly shines. The queen-size bed features a memory foam mattress with premium linens, ensuring a good night's sleep wherever you are. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. Lexus has spared no expense in making this space feel luxurious. You get a full-size shower with a rainfall shower head, a vanity with LED-lit mirrors, and a porcelain toilet with an automatic flush system. Under the hood, the Lexus Motorhome is powered by a hybrid engine that delivers 400 horsepower, ensuring you have the power to tackle any terrain. The regenerative braking system improves efficiency, while the air suspension provides a smooth ride. While Lexus hasn't announced the official price yet, industry experts estimate it will start around $180,000, with fully loaded options pushing it closer to $250,000.